Pizza. Today, it's America's favorite food, but more than a century ago, it was the street snack of new Italian immigrants. In 1905, Gennaro Lombardi earned the first pizzeria license in New York City. Coal ovens, thin crust, tomato and cheese from home. For Italian families, it was a taste of Naples in a new world. From Little Italy, pizza spread city by city, first through factory workers and dockyards, then to soldiers returning from World War II who had discovered it overseas. Soon, small family bakeries became neighborhood pizzerias, and the humble slice turned into a national favorite. Alongside pizza came pasta, espresso, and olive oil. Foods once called foreign, now part of nearly every American kitchen. Italian cuisine didn't just arrive, it evolved here. From red sauce corner restaurants to fine dining icons, its flavors reshaped the American table. A culture carried in recipes became a shared language, one that still brings people together.